Hey guys, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making one of my favorite after-school snacks, Muddy Buddies. They're known as Muddy Buddies, Puppy Chow, however you call it, it is just delicious. So to start, over here on my stovetop, I have a pan with a little bit of water in it. The key to melting chocolate is you want a little bit of water on a very low flame with another bowl on top to create a double boiler. Then over here I have some chocolate chips that we're gonna add in straight into here. And along with that, we're gonna add in a little bit of margarine or butter. Now I'm gonna slowly mix this as it melts, and we want it to be nice and smooth and fully melted. All right, this is getting nice and luscious. I mean, look at that. Who doesn't love chocolate? I mean, chocolate is just the best. Now, to this, I'm gonna add in a little bit of vanilla extract for some more flavor into there. And we're gonna go in with a little bit of peanut butter. This is what gives the Muddy Buddies a lot of great flavor. And add in the peanut butter, because peanut butter and chocolate is just one of the all-time best combinations. And we're gonna mix this up. Peanut butter is gonna melt into the chocolate. This is looking great. It is fully combined, and we're gonna add this in straight to our cereal. Get that all in there. Mix this up. You wanna make sure that you coat all of the cereal. All right, really wanna coat every last piece of cereal. All right, that looks good. We have every piece of cereal coated, and we're gonna go in there with some powdered sugar. Now the trick is you wanna first add a nice amount, mix that up, and then we're gonna add a second amount. So you mix it up, and this is gonna kind of coat the outside of the cereal. Oh, one fell, but we'll just eat it. All right, that's gonna coat the outside. Then we're gonna go in there with even more powdered sugar. I mean, can you ever have too much powdered sugar? I don't think you can. After this step, you wanna pop them into the freezer for about 15 minutes to half an hour. You can even do it overnight. That's gonna solidify the chocolate. And personally, I like them better when they're like freezing cold, but you can also eat them right away, which I'm gonna do now. All right, let's get some over here. That is seriously an amazing bite. You have the crunchy cereal, the chocolate and peanut butter on the inside, coated in the powdered sugar. It is one amazing after-school snack. I'll be eating this every day with my brother Yoni. He's gonna be so excited to hear that I made this. If you wanna make this at home, you can get the recipe in the description box below. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for tons of more awesome cooking videos. All right, I'm gonna go finish these Muddy Buddies.